So we're going to look at how this is a replenishable strategy. Okay. If you haven't picked up on it yet, because this whole print on demand thing is pretty sweet, and you literally upload once and you sell over and over and over again. You don't have to touch it again.
Yes, for you guys that may not be aware, what replenishable means, it's a product that sells over and over and over and over again. And in this group, obviously, we talk about things like physical products that you can get like at Walmart or something, but even with books, it's a replen that costs you nothing. So I'm excited about this one.
Which is crazy. And not only does it cost you nothing, with replens, don't you have to go and buy them again and ship them in?
You do. Yes. Or you have a shopper that does it for you.
Right,
but somebody has to do that. Absolutely.
That's fine. That's totally fine. I mean, it's part of how that works, but you don't have to do that here.
Right.
It automatically replenishes itself.
You don't have to write the book over and upload it.
No, wouldn't that be crazy? Oh, sold one, got to write it again. Put it up there. No, you don't have to do that. You put it up once and it will continue to work for you, over time. So that's huge bonus right there.